Have you ever wondered about the secret behind the rich, creamy butter you love? It's a journey full of fascinating stories. It all starts with something remarkable: happy cows and farmers who go above and beyond to ensure these cows live their best lives. Yes, you heard right. Virtual reality, VR, glasses for cows. Picture this: cows chilling out in their stalls, enjoying a serene and calming landscape on their VR headsets, helping them stay relaxed and stress-free while they're being milked. Pretty wild, right? But why all this fuss to pamper these cows? The answer is simple. Happy cows produce better milk, and for anyone in the butter-making process, high-quality milk is essential. So once these cows are totally chilled out and ready, they enter an automated milking system. A true marvel of modern technology. Before we dive deeper, I'd like to ask for a quick favor. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. It's free for you, but it really helps us out. Thanks. Now, back to the process. Each cow steps into its designated stall, where a milking unit is waiting. These aren't just any milking machines. They're incredibly gentle, using controlled vacuum pressure to naturally draw out the milk. The process is designed to ensure the cow's comfort, which is key to getting that delicious creamy milk we all love. Once the milk is collected, it doesn't go straight to butter making just yet. It has to go through a series of quality checks. Only milk that passes these rigorous tests is allowed to continue its journey. And here comes the important part. The milk enters a centrifuge. This machine spins the milk at high speeds, separating the cream from the rest of the milk, a much faster method than letting the cream rise naturally. After centrifugation, we're left with two main products: skimmed milk and cream. Now, a quick note on skimmed milk. While it might not have the rich taste of whole milk, it's still a healthy option for those looking to cut down on fat. Once the cream is separated, it's pasteurized, which just means it's heated to kill any harmful bacteria. Then, the cream is allowed to mature, like letting dough rise before baking. After the cream matures, it begins to form butter grains, tiny, smooth particles that are the foundation of the butter we know and love. These grains undergo one last step: washing. This removes any leftover buttermilk that could cause a tangy taste. Most people prefer a pure, rich, and creamy flavor, and washing ensures that. Next up, the butter grains are seasoned, typically with salt, giving us that perfect salty butter that's a must-have on almost anything. Now, the fun part: churning. Churning is the process where the butter mixture is constantly stirred, causing the fat molecules to come together, similar to kneading dough, but instead of bread, we're making butter. This step creates the smooth, creamy texture we all adore. Fun fact: did you know that, in ancient times, butter was so valuable it was used as currency? Imagine paying for your groceries in pats of butter. Once the butter is churned to perfection, it's time to shape it. This part is actually pretty fascinating. The butter is pushed through an extruder, a machine that shapes the butter into whatever form is needed. For those who love that artisanal touch, some butters are hand-molded into beautiful, delicate shapes. After shaping, the butter moves on to the packaging stage, where machines work in perfect harmony. One machine places the tubs, another pours in the butter, and a third seals the packaging with golden paper. Then, the butter moves along a conveyor belt toward the barcode station, a step that ensures every package is tracked and ready for distribution. But we're not finished yet. There's another butter product that's just as delicious, if not more so: ghee. Ghee is like butter's fancier cousin. It's made by melting butter and boiling it until all the water evaporates and the milk solids separate from the fat. What remains is pure, golden ghee, a rich, nutty, flavorful oil perfect for cooking. It has a higher smoke point than regular butter, meaning it doesn't burn as easily, making it ideal for frying, sautéing, or even baking. Once the ghee is ready, it's poured into containers and allowed to cool before heading to the packaging station. Each batch is sieved to ensure it's perfectly pure and then sealed up, locking in all that buttery richness. And that's the complete journey from cow to butter and beyond. Whether it's salty butter, artisanal butter, or ghee, the process is as intricate as it is fascinating. The next time you spread that perfect layer of butter on your toast or drizzle ghee over your favorite dish, take a moment to appreciate the science and technology behind it all. If you're as interested in the world of food production as I am, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Are you team salty or unsalted? What's your favorite way to use butter? I can't wait to hear from you.